Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create your Exness account and link it to your MT5 to start taking my trades from Telegram, my free signals from Telegram. You understand? So first of all, don't worry, nothing to worry about, because I will provide you the link in the description below. So you just tap the link on the description below, then it will automatically direct you to App Store to start downloading the app automatically. You understand? So nothing to worry about. Just tap on the link below. So after you're done installing the Exness app, you just create your account. Okay, here you can click on allowed. Yes, allowed. Then you tap on the create an account. I mean, Ghana, that's why it's showing that. So you just have to confirm this, then continue. You understand? Here too, you just have to enter your email address. In this case, I already have an this thing Exness account, so I don't have to do all this, but you can just follow the process, you understand, to register your account. So I'll just log into my Exness account. Yes, Exness account here. So this is my Exness account. I just have to log in. Alright, so I have to set some password to make it more protective, you understand? Yes, Face ID, everything. Okay, so this is my Exness account. Don't worry, we're going to start everything at fresh, so you don't have to worry about. And I've already verified it. You can see my details is verified. Everything is verified. You understand? Yes, this is very important. So to create your account, to create an account, you just have to tap on this plus icon. You tap on continue. You understand? You tap on continue. You can set your email, your name that you want to use. In this case, I'll use Jaden. I'll use Jaden here. Continue. You understand? And I'll tap. Maybe let me use any password, for example. You understand? Yes, let me use any password, for example. So it is for just this demo account. You understand? So yes, my demo account. Oh, I think, sorry, I mistakenly created a raw account. Let me create a demo account rather. So Jaden, let me use Jaden demo. You understand? Okay, so Jaden demo. Then I'll use CV. Just some normal password. You understand? So yeah, yes, my demo account. So suppose we deposited we deposited $1,000. You understand? Yes. So our $1,000 is deposited. You understand? So we have to take our details. Here is our details to link it with the MT5. So we just have to go to MT5. Yes, MT5. You understand? Yes, MT5. So we tap on trade account. We tap on the plus icon. Yes, we tap on, we search Exness. You just search Exness. Then you scroll down, you will see Exness technology. Make sure it's Exness technology. All right. So here is our account. Now, let's see what Exness gave us. The server that Exness gave us. Exness gave us this server, Exness MT5 trial. So we just have to look for Exness MT5 trial, and I think it's already selected. Yeah. And then the login too, we have to copy this login. You have to copy. And then our password in which we set it, you understand, in the Exness MT5 trial. Yeah, wait for some time to load it. Okay, our account is not connected. Maybe we did a password mistake. So you make sure our account is, correct. Your password is corrected. Okay, so here is our account. All right. So here too, we just have to confirm everything, because if you have $1,000 here, we have another $1,000 here. So in this, that is the video. That is a video for how to connect your Exness account to MT5 to start taking trades. That is the topic for the video. But if you want to know how to, after this, you want to know how to get your signals. You understand? Get your signals. How to copy the signals I post on Telegram, then enter it and start making money with us. Then no worry. Just check in the next video.